Hello, everyone. It's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. Today, I have a really fun design team project I would like to share with you. It is for creating with Jovi. I used her Love at First Bite kit to create all these really different fun types of recipe cards to go in my recipe book. This is the kit here, and she is having a 4th of July sale on select items are going to be 50% off in her Etsy shop. I'll have the link to her Etsy shop below in the description box. And since I'm sick, I'm going to be playing some relaxing music as I show you guys all these different types of recipe cards I created. I hope you enjoy.